My name is Hilwah Tazkiyah, student ID 224111090, and I am currently taking the internal audit course. In this video, I will present one of the most important topics in internal auditing, ethics and professional standards of internal auditing. This topic is essential because an internal auditor's role is not only to review reports or assess processes, but also to carry a great responsibility, maintaining integrity and public trust. What is professional ethics in internal auditing? Professional ethics is a set of moral values and principles that guide internal auditors in carrying out their duties. An internal auditor can be compared to a doctor in the business world. Just as doctors take an oath to protect patients, auditors have a code of ethics to protect organizations from risks, fraud, and misuse of resources. Without ethics, audit results can be manipulated, reports lose their credibility, and both the organization's and the auditor's reputation may collapse. That is why ethics is the foundation that ensures auditors work with conscience, not just follow procedures. The 4 core principles of professional ethics according to the Institute of Internal Auditors, IIA. There are 4 core principles that every internal auditor must uphold. 1. Integrity. Auditors must be honest, fair, and courageous in reporting the truth, even when it is unpopular. For example, if fraud is detected within management, the auditor must report it, even under pressure. 2. Objectivity. Auditors must remain free from conflicts of interest or any influence that may affect professional judgment. For instance, when auditing a department where a close friend works, the auditor must still assess the findings fairly and without bias. 3. Confidentiality. Information obtained during an audit is a major responsibility. Auditors must not disclose or use this information for personal gain or share it with unauthorized parties. 4. Competency. Auditors must possess
professional standards in internal auditing. If ethics governs how we behave, professional standards guide how we work. According to the IIA, professional standards are divided into 3 main categories. 1. Attribute standards. These define the characteristics that the internal audit activity and the internal auditors must possess. For example, the audit function must be independent from operational management to ensure objectivity. 2. Performance standards. These describe how audit engagements should be planned, executed, and communicated. For example, auditors should assess risks before deciding on the focus areas of the audit. 3. Implementation standards. These provide more specific guidance depending on the type of engagement, such as compliance audits, operational audits, or investigative audits. Why ethics and standards matter. Imagine a company that ignores ethics and standards in auditing. 1. Audit results can be easily altered for certain interests. 2. Fraud and irregularities go undetected. 3. Investor and public trust disappears. On the other hand, auditors who strictly follow ethics and standards produce accurate, transparent, and accountable reports that help management make better decisions. A real-world example. In the past, some large companies collapsed not because of poor products but due to financial statement scandals. One well-known case is Enron, a US-based energy company that in 2001 was revealed to have manipulated its financial reports to hide billions of dollars in debt. Its external auditor, Arthur Andersen, failed to maintain independence and professional ethics, ultimately leading to the collapse of both Enron and the auditing firm itself. Another example is Satyam Computer Services in India, where management falsified accounts, inflating revenue and profits. Internal auditors overlooked clear warning signs, damaging trust in the profession. From today's discussion, we can conclude that ethics and professional standards of internal auditing are 2 elements that work hand in hand. Ethics defines who we are as professionals, while standards ensure how we perform our work correctly. I'm Hilwah Tazkiyah, student ID 224111090, from the Internal Audit course, thanking you for watching this video. Let us all commit to practicing our profession with the highest integrity, while adhering to the standards that keep our work reliable.